Ayan, luto na yung Hawaiian puto pizza. Yes, with only fruits. Kumuha kami ng clams at saka sa party na pupuntahan namin, mag-pictorial muna kami. Tingnan niyo si Oli. See you.
See you, Bob. Have fun.
Happy New Year.
I'll say it.
Yeah, I know. Hindi naman kami doon magpapaabot ng New Year. Okay, see you, Daddy. What? Hindi kasi siya sasama. See ya.
Love you, Bobby.
Siya na lang kakain ng mga niluto ko.
Let's
go. Dito na kami sa may sa church kasi yung venue dito sa may eto ayan yung church. Tapos nandun yung hall. Kaso si hall dito pa. Hoy, ginising ka na ni Kuya. Come on, Papa. We're here. We're here, Papa. Let's go. Come on. Si Sak na lipad na yung Where's the cover, Sak? Okay, let's go. Come on. Holly, walk, Papa. Did you say? It's alright. Dito na kami sa party, guys. Ayan yung mga pagkain. Ayan, si Beth. Hi, Beth! Ang daming pagkain. Ito yung dala ko. Ayan, ang dami. Ay, ang sarap, maanghang. Dito na kasi. Dito yung mga dessert. Yes. Yep. Go eat. Eat rice, Papa. Holly, come on, eat, Papa. Yung plato ko kasi baka si Holly kumain. Ito talaga yung totoo kong plato. May laing. Tapos ayan. Ito sa mga bata ito mamaya. Yes? Okay, that's mine. Si Kuya kanina pa nakasta. Ang galing! Baba daw mo, Papa daw mo. All winners! Yay! Okay, get your prize! Walang talo! Masaya kasi si Kuya nagpa-participate. Sumasayaw na si Kuya. Baba, put it here! Yeah. No, not yet because about it. Put it here. Later na lang because you have more. You have more games.
I'm gonna open it.
Good job, Papa! Sa Jerusalem naman yung game. Pinali si Oli kasi hindi pa naman niya yan alam. Later, okay? Later. Okay? Holly, Holly! You're not, Papa. Stay here for now. Kawawa naman ang baby. Later, Papa. Hindi mo si Sam. Go, 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 Sam! Go, Sam! Kuya, you don't push your... Kuy! Okay pa yung dalawa. DJ! Nandiyan pa rin yung magkuya, oh. Yay! Nandiyan pa rin. Nandiyan pa rin yung dalawa. Oh my God, Beth! Anak ko versus anak ko. Aha! Good luck, boys! Yes, isa! It's alright. It's alright. Good job. It's alright. Good job. High five. Good luck. Congrats, Kuya! Good job! Go, Papa! Gusto niya sumali eh. Gusto niya sumali. Papa! Good luck, Papa! Listen!
You have to pretend that you are doing.
Where will be then?
Okay? Alright. Then put your arms behind your back.
Put your arms behind your back, Papa. Baba, face here, Baba, face here, Baba. You gonna eat like a bird, Kuya. President. Okay? Okay, Holly, Holly. Holly. Kailangan nilang kunin gamit yung bibig nila tapos spit nila dun sa blue, yung marshmallow. Okay. Oh, pinalis ka na naman, Baba. Go, Baba, go, Baba. Go, ask her. Go. Pinalis na naman siya. Stay there, Baba. Baba, you have to grab it with your mouth. You have to grab it with your mouth. Okay? And then you have to spit it out. Okay, Holly. Behind your back, Baba. Use your mouth, Baba. No, 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 Baba. Use your mouth. It's like a bird. Spit it out there, Baba. Good job! Yay!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the.
Trial lang pala yung kanina. Eto, totoo na to, guys. Baba, you have to hurry up, okay, Baba? Go! Go, Baba! Go, Baba! Go, Baba! Hurry up, Baba! Hurry up! Go, run, Baba! Run, run, run!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight,
Panalo sila, Kuya! Panalo sila, Kuya TJ. Panalo ka na?
I wasn't taking a bit long.
Ha?
I was taking a bit long.
Mayroon din si Holly kahit natalo yun. Baba! Wow! Kahit natalo ka, meron ka, Baba? Good job! Got lots of lollies here. What's that, Kuya? Dessert time? Oh, dessert time daw muna. Okay. Kuya, you got marshmallow powder here. What do you want? What? And andito sila naglalaro. And nandito si Holly. Baba, say hi! Are you having fun? Yes! Humingi siya ng balloon. Welcome. Stay here, Baba, okay? Ayan, may ticket.
So you
Tayo
need
ng
to
ticket.
2, 4, 6, 8, and then you can choose.
Bili tayong ticket kasi may paraffol. $1 yung isa, so bili tayo ng 10. Ito, ano to, may entrance dito guys, $5. Ayan. President siya.
Tickets.
Okay, kuha tayo ng 10 tickets. Sana manalo tayo. 1. Ayan, nakakuha na tayo ng 10. And mag-start ulit si ate ng pag-game.
Once door.
Adults yung maglalaro. Oh, girls versus boys. Ipapop nila.
In the midst.
They're gonna pop the balloon.
Go.
Nanalo yung boys sa pag-pop ng balloon. Yung mga babae nakakatawa kasi hindi nila mapop. Ayun. And then yung next is carrots and eggs. Ate? Ate, carrots and eggs?
Alright. Another game.
Ayan na, another game. Hindi pa rin sila tapos. Wala, hindi kaya. Yay! Sila nanalo. What's that? You wanna sit down there? Ask tita if you can join. Kasi maglalaro ulit yung mga bata. There's tita, oh. Tita. Tita, can I sit down now? Okay, sit down, Baba.
Right. And try to touch that. Hold your ball. Tip your ball.
Tip your ball. Yan yung game nilang gagawin. You've been kicked out, Baba. Nag-kick out na siya. O kasi daw, ang bagal daw ni Holly. Nagagalit na si Sab. Nagagalit.
Galit na si ko ano, Madam Sab.
Did you have fun?
No, you're good.
Yeah, you're good. Yes.
Never panic.
It's just... Oh, silang nanalo. Pag babae pala, igagrab yung bottle. Pag lalaki, ipapasok yung daliri sa butas ng... Ay! Ang rules pala, pag babae, sila ang hawak sa bote. Then later on, yung babae naman yung tatayo dyan, yung lalaki, ipapasok nila yung daliri sa butas ng bote. Ngayon, yung mga babae naman yung nakaipit ng bote. Then yung mga lalaki naman, sila naman yung maglalagay ng daliri nila sa butas ng bote. Sa butas ng bote. Oh, ayan, ganyan.
Alright, my boys. Yay. Let the music start.
Tapos na yung raffle, wala tayong nakuha. Baba! Dugas talaga siya. Dugas talaga tong ticket ko. Sabi niya, hati kami dalawa. Kung manalo raw yung aking ticket, pero nasa kanya, siya raw kukuha ng prize. Sa akin tong apat na to, ha?
Thanks for that raffle partition.
Oh, tapos na. Wala tayo nakuha.
Yan, tapos na pala.
Wala na. Kasi mag-drive pa kami 30 minutes. Come on, boys! Hindi ko napakita yung yung venue. Dito yung venue namin, oh. Going home. Ayaw pa nilang umuwi. Come on, let's go. No, we have to go because Daddy's gonna go fishing soon. Go home because Daddy's gonna go fishing soon.
I'm standing up until one so I can see Daddy.
Okay. Pinatay ko yung ilaw. Okay. Ilagay ko yung mga pagkain. Are you tired, Papa?
That must be the one.
Which one? This one? Hinahanap namin yung channel na yung live yung fireworks sa Sydney. Nahanap na namin yung channel. Ayan. Wala pa naman. Ano pa lang?
Next after this. What time
Ayan.
they finish?
Soon.
See, Mom, look.
10 minutes pa.
Look, Mom. No, hello.
Yeah. Okay, next. Okay. Countdown. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Look,
Yeah.
mine was more pretty than that one.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Papa. Happy New Year. Kiss us in. Oh, sweet. Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year to
Happy
people.
New Year.
Papa, happy New Year. Tired na talaga si Holly. Kiss Mommy, Papa. Happy New Year.
Yeah, give me. I need a tissue.
Kumakain siya ng cherry.
Mom, I need a tissue. What's this?
No, Baba, you have to change your clothes. Change your clothes na.
What's that?
Okay.
Take that off and put that on.
Punasan na lang kita mamaya, Holly.
Mom,
Hmm?
is this just what is it?
Cherry.
No, not cherry. Plums. Yeah, plum. It's the same inside. It's the same inside, but a bigger seed.
Yeah, but that's different from plums.
What?
So careful with your clothes.
What's nothing?
Yeah. Inupuan na nila yung cherry.
Mom, what's wrong?
Linabas ko yung yung mga pagkain. Eto pa. Si Kuya gusto niya kasing kumain.
Where's the sauce for it?
I forgot it's still in the fridge. Ito
I'll go
yung
get it. I'll go get it.
pork belly. Yung roast beef. And ito yung kay Chona. Potato. So, ayan yung handa namin. Yung leche flan nasarap. Bukas na lang yun. So, i-close ko na yung vlog guys. Si Kuya gustong kumain. Kuya, come on. Come on. Let's close the vlog. And yung kari-kari hindi ko pa nilabas. Bukas na lang kasi hindi naman ako kakain. Antok na ako kasi diba anong oras ako nagising? Alas 3 or 2:30. Okay, let's yeah, it's in the fridge, Kuya. Okay, thanks. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Say what you're gonna say to them.
Have a great New Year.
And
I forgot for the ending part.
okay, say thank you.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
Good night and Happy New Year, guys. See you on our next vlog.
Vlog.
And late nyo na ito mapapanood, guys. But good night. Sana maging masaya yung New Year niyo. Good night, guys. Si Holly tulog na tsaka si Sok. Ay, hindi na kinaya. Hindi na kinaya. Hindi na kinaya. Ayan, si Holly. Si Sok. Sok. Bibihisan pa kita, Sok. Okay, si Kuya gutom na, guys. Good night. Bye. Happy New Year. Alauna na. Si Kuya, hinihintay ko lang si Kuya matapos. Parang 24 hours na akong gising. Pag nag 2:30 na, parang 24 hours na akong gising. Hurry up, Kuya. Papasok ko pa to sa ref. Tapos bukas namin to kakainin. Ayan. Is it good, Kuya? Your spag? Uy. Is it good? Nanonood siya. Kami na lang dalawa ang gising. Yung dalawa tulog na. Yun lang. Hinintay ko lang si Kuya matapos. Oh. Kumain pa siyang spring roll. Ito. Oh. Bugas na lang ako ng mukha. Tapos patutulog. Ay. Good morning, guys. Happy 2020. What year now, Kuya? Huh? 2020?
I just said
2020.
1.
Yeah, no, what year now? 2020 now. So yun, guys.
It's 101. That should be like.
Hinintay ko lang si Kuya. So, bye. Bye na po, Kuya.
Bye.
Happy.
New Year.
Look at them.
Happy New Year.
Kamain pa talaga siya. Sige, bye na, guys. Totoo na. Bukas na lang.
Paradise.